This video I am going to tell you how you can create mockups in Canva free version. You don't need a pro version of Canva for that, and it's a very easy way to enhance your design and show to your client or add in your Upwork or free Fiverr account. So let's start it. What you have to do is, if you don't have any design, first you have to design your work from here. You can select any templates. Let me show you how you can do it, and then search that type of your template. If you want to design business flyer or business card, whatever you want to design, just search here in the search bar and select the landscape board. Okay, and then you can select from here any design, but make sure it's free. How you can know that the template is free or not? You can see that there is no sign in this mockup template, so you can select this one. But here I have already designed my template, so I'm going to add it on that. So you can select any size. My size is flyer template, so I'm going to type that flyer portrait, and make sure that you have saved your work. Then after that you can add your mockup in it. Otherwise you have to first save that design or template, and then you can edit. What I'm going to do is, this is our page, then click on uploads button and then click on it. I already have my picture here, but let me show you. Just select it from here, open, and then you can see the sign of uploading, that is uploading. And then what we have to do is just drag this picture here. Okay, you can do it from any size and then adjust it. And after that what I'm going to do is, we have to click on edit image and then search smart mockup. Smart mockups, you can see it, there is an option of smart mockup here. You can select so many, you can select any of the mockup from here. I want the book mockup. Why? Because it's the size of book, or it will definitely look good on book mockup. Okay, let me select it. Let me try this one as well. We can change and select and experience different mockups here. No, this is not looking good at all. Let me select another one. Try this one. Yeah, this one is looking perfect, but let me select more. Make sure it's in portrait form. So let me select this one. You can select any design, okay, but it's not according to my size. Let me edit it here again. I think click on C all, and then where is my design? Okay, this one is good. It takes some time, and you can select any design from here. Wait a minute, it takes some time. No, it's not looking good at all. Let me zoom in. Okay, now again I'm going to select it again here. Okay, this one is perfect here. Okay, this one looks totally perfect. Let me zoom in little bit. You can see it, and you can select any of the mockup from here, and this is the way you can add your mockup after designing your template. Hope you like this video. Please don't forget to subscribe my channel and share this video as much as you can. Bye.